shadows fall and fear surrounds, when all I have is wearing down, you lift my eyes to where you are, my refuge found within your arms. In every weakness you remain, a steady hand through joy and pain. You are my strength when I am weary. You are my song in the night. You lift me up when I am broken. You make my darkness light. Through every storm I'll stand and sing. Jesus, you are my strength. When tears fall down like holy rain, your peace restores my heart again. You whisper truth through all my doubt. Your faithful love will never run out. I'm safe within your perfect grace, forever held face to face. You are my strength when I am weary. You are my song in the night. You lift me up when I am broken. You make my darkness light. Through every storm I'll stand and sing. Jesus, you are my strength. Your power made perfect in my weakness. Your mercy flows like a river wide. Even